I'm Ailey, I'm 32, I'm from a small island in Scotland, and this is a YouTube video about my time in New York. Hope you enjoy! It's raining. What the fuck? It's raining. I don't have anything appropriate for this weather. I don't know what this weather is. I'm not that girl anymore. This is the line for our bagel spot.
I didn't say that the other day.
I don't understand. Why is the line so long? It's still going. This is for bagels that I've already ordered for pickup. It stopped raining and I have my coffee and I'm in a bit of a better mood now and I'm actually enjoying New York. Look how pretty that. Oh wait, I can't work this camera. Go up. Look at the buildings. Freaky. Excuse me. Oh, hi. Hi there. This is the ultimate good boy. If you don't know who Balto is, it's a dog that saved a bunch of kids in Alaska or somewhere. He went in a storm to get them some penicillin. Although he didn't actually do most of it, another dog did it, but I think Balto was prettier or something. This is my attempt at YouTubing, so I need to add some information. Oh look, there's a Balto right here. I bought a vintage jacket. I feel cool. Has some stripes. Because it's awful weather. There are so many queues. It's so busy. It wasn't like this last time. I feel like I've gone to heaven. Have I gone to heaven or will I go to hell? I'm really bad with heights and I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm not doing it. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Good morning from my most expensive box. Literally the most expensive box I've ever paid for. It's so small. Improvising. because it's raining in New York. And I thought it was going to be like 20 degrees and my shoes are wet. I'm gonna have a good day. I'm gonna have a good day. I obviously didn't bring a hat to Austin because it's 35 degrees heat, so I'm gonna wear a cap and from the rain. I feel quite New York. Is this what New Yorkers wear? Got my hoops in, got my necklace on, gonna wear my leather jacket. Gonna be from New York, from Brooklyn. That's the queue! That's the queue! Ah. And then there's another queue that goes around and then ends down there on the other side. I don't know how I feel about this. It just keeps going. This is the same queue. I don't understand. It's still going. It's still. Oh, they've queued back around, I think, and now it loops back. That is mental. That's funny. Is that like all the Airbnbs and the locals don't have a home and the wee hermit crabs? Very smart art. You used to have this somewhere, didn't you?
A t-shirt.
I often feel like this rat. I'm at a bed and what more do you want? Leave me alone. Gangster rats. I'll put it on the bin. Oh, it's not sticking. It's a restaurant that feels like you're on a ship and it's very fancy. I like it.
I have never tasted flavors like this. I don't know what's going on. It's so good. Look at the mashed potatoes.
Smoother than a baby's bum. Okay, now we're going to a pub. Oh shit. That was under the piano. The piano. Great movie. I'm gonna watch it again. So hopefully it'll be good.
Oh no, hard punch.